Hey, awesome guitar people. We're gonna work on Dock of the Bay, key of C, and I'll just play the first verse, let's say, just so you can get a feel for it, and then we'll break it down to its parts, so you know if this is a good key for you to sing it in as well. It's a good key for me. I'm a baritone. Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships roll in, and I'll watch them roll away again. Yeah, sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tides roll away. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Check it out. So, first chord C, and in the morning sun, E. It's a C chord. It's like a C form. That's not a C chord. It's a C form chord. You slide that up. I would say that's yeah, I don't even know this. I just been doing it this way for years and never checked what it was. It was C, G. It's just an F chord. That's so boring. F, and then go back down the frets to I want to say it's a D chord. It's just a D chord, but it looks cooler. Take that from the top again. Sitting in the morning, E chord, sun, the F chord way up here though. Sitting when and we slide down, evening comes. One fret at a time, totally easy. Back to that C. Watching the ships roll, E chord in. Then the F, I'll be watching them roll away again. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay. Oh yeah, it's an A chord. I'm doing it with just one finger. You can do an A chord with, the three fingers right there. Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tides. Back to the C, roll it back to the A. Well, wait. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of the D chord bay, wasting C chord time. Left my home in Georgia, the F chord, headed for the Frisco Bay. Back to the C. I got nothing to live for. Yeah, the E chord hit. Then the F, ain't nothing gonna come my way. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay. A chord, watching the tides. C chord, roll away. A chord, you're back and forth. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of D chord, the bay, wasting time. C chord. I think it was a D. Then that bridge part. C chord looks like G chord, D chord. No, I'm wrong. No. C chord looks like F chord. Nothing's gonna change. C, G, F again. Everything still remains the same. I can't do the same thing what 10 people tell me to do. Different chord completely, B flat. So I guess I'll read G chord, remain the same. Yeah, and back to the third verse. Sitting here, resting my bones. We'll go over that bridge in a second. That F chord, loneliness won't leave you alone. Slide it down. C chord, 2,000 miles. E chord, I roam. F chord, make nothing, something. I lost my spot. That's okay. Cause I'm A chord, C chord, sitting down the dock of the bay. A chord, watching the tides roll away. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay. D chord, that was my bad, wasting time. Let's whistle. Where's my, don't forget to drink your water before you